on May 1st is Labor Day. And I know some people, once they hear labor, they begin to think of politics. But labor has to do with workers. It has to do with the labor movement that started in the 1930s, where workers fought for better wages and better working conditions. And in fact, it was the labor movement that gave rise to political parties in the 1930s. So there is a very direct correlation between political parties in Saint Lucia and the labor movement. On May 1st, we had a lunch on the 23rd of April. We had a lunch of Labor Day activities, and we actually spoke on revolutionizing health and safety, the role of AI and digitization at work. And we are seeing now how artificial intelligence can play a critical role in the labor force. And it is one where we need to ensure that workers understand what this is. And some people are a little fearful that artificial intelligence may replace them.